Yes, Kunan, welcome back to Aegis Hotel. It's a pleasure to see you again, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Thank you. It's nice to be back. I really love how peaceful it is here.
We're very happy to hear that, ma'am. I also noticed that this is your third stay with us this year. Thank you so much for choosing Aegis Hotel.
I didn't even realize that. I just felt comfortable staying here.
That means a lot, ma'am, since you're one of our valued guests. May I ask, are you already a member of our Aegis Hotel?
I don't think so. What's that about?
Our club membership is especially made for loyal guests like you. Members enjoy exclusive room discount, freely check-out, priority booking, and points every time they stay, which can be redeemed for free nights or dining credits.
Wow, that sounds great. Do I have to pay to join?
Not at all, ma'am. It's absolutely free. It only takes about a minute to register. Once you're enrolled, you receive a digital membership card and welcome drink voucher you can enjoy at our cafe today.
That's very nice. Okay, I'd love to join.
Okay, ma'am, may I have your email address and phone number?
Sure, it's Jacqueline Langalitunan at gmail.com. And for my number, it's 0968535761.
Thank you, ma'am. Just a moment while I register you. Well done, ma'am. You're now officially a member of Aegis Hotel Club. Here's your digital card and welcome drink voucher, ma'am. You can also use your membership on your next stay on to earn points and access exclusive rates.
That was so quick. Thank you, ma'am. I'll definitely enjoy my free drink later.
You're welcome, ma'am. Thank you again for being a loyal guest. Enjoy your stay and please don't hesitate to let us know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you for the warm service as always.